Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Word document in Wix. If you want to make a document available on your Wix site, the process is very simple once you know where to click. Adding a Word document can be useful when you want to share information with your website visitors, such as guides, forms, reports, instructions, downloadable resources, or business documents. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to the right section inside your editor and upload your file so it can be added to your page. To begin, go to your Wix site and open the page where you want to add the document. Make sure you're inside the site editor so you can make changes directly to the page. This is important because the upload option we need is available from the editor itself. Before uploading your document, make sure you know exactly where you want it placed on your page. Choosing the right location can help your visitors find the document more easily and keep your website layout organized. Once you're on the correct page, look to the top left corner of the editor and click on Add. This is where Wix keeps many of the elements you can insert into your site, including images, text, buttons, and other media. After clicking Add, go to the Image section. Even though you're working with a Word document, this is the area used in this method to access the upload option. So don't let the label confuse you. Just open the Image section and continue from there. Wix organizes many upload features under different categories, so it may not always be obvious where a specific file type is located. Following these steps will help you quickly find the correct upload option. Next, click Upload Image. This will open the Upload window, where you can choose a file from your device. From here, locate your Word documents and upload it. Before uploading, make sure you choose the correct version of your file. If you have multiple documents with similar names, check the file name and date to avoid uploading an outdated version. Once the file is uploaded, it will be available for use in your site editor. And that's it! Your document has now been uploaded through Wix. If needed, take a moment to make sure you selected the correct file before finishing, especially if you manage multiple versions of the same document. It's also a good idea to double-check how the uploaded file appears or connects within your page, so everything works smoothly for your visitors. You can preview your page after adding the document to make sure everything looks correct and that visitors will be able to access the content as expected. One quick tip before uploading: make sure your Word document has the final content you want people to access. That can save you time later and help avoid re-uploading updated versions. For example, if you're uploading a company brochure, pricing documents, or user guide, review the information carefully before adding it to your website. Updating documents later can take extra time, especially if visitors are already using the older version. Also, keep the file name clear and simple so it's easier to recognize inside your Wix media area. A clear file name like Product Guide 2026 or Company Information Form is much easier to manage than a file with random numbers or unclear names. So to quickly recap, you open your Wix page, click Add in the top left, go to the Image section, select Upload Image, and then upload your Word document. That's the full process for adding a Word document in Wix. Once your document is uploaded, you can continue customizing your page and organizing your website content to create a better experience for your visitors.